This video shows how to install your Keybit Squirrel Baffle. For best squirrel protection, keep the feeder at least 6 feet away from nearby trees or platforms and about 4.5 feet above the ground. First, connect the 3 boards together and align the edges. Next, attach the buckle stoppers to the pole about 25 to 30 centimeters below the feeder and tighten them with the screws. Then remove the feeder from the pole. Next, place the assembled squirrel baffle onto the buckle stoppers and make sure it sits securely in position. Finally, reinstall the bird feeder. Your Keybit Squirrel Baffle is now installed. It helps prevent squirrels from reaching your feeder. Thanks for watching. If you need more support or detailed guides, visit us at kiwibit.com/pages/support.